Hello, everybody.
We're going to start this video by saying, number one, I'm taking over. Number two, if you are sensitive in any way, shape, or form, you might want to skip it. Go find your safe space, have your binky, I don't know, play with yourself, whatever the fuck you need to do to feel safe. You've been warned. What's it called? A trigger warning? You've been warned.
We're going to go over stuff we found on the internet about people freaking out. Never heard it before. We just opened one. We've heard people complaining.
It's part of it.
But we just opened this video. We've never heard this one yet. So we're going to play them, pause them, and talk about what we feel. How you feeling inside? Get ready. Go ahead. Granny's got them on her phone. We're not showing clips and nothing. We're just
no, you're not getting any more attention.
We're just sound biting.
If you've lost faith in humanity, clap your hands. If you've lost faith in humanity, and this is your villain origin story, if you've lost faith in humanity, clap your hands.
Have you ever found your G-spot yet?
Look, they're crying because they don't get food stamps anymore. Go work, you lazy bums. Go get a job. Look, everybody cry. They cut my food stamps. No more food stamps. Go work. Go work. Hope your day gets better. Positive energy.
Well, I guess this ain't what we thought they were. There's the freak out.
It's titled Me Because Kamala Just Lost.
Oh.
Oh my god.
So,
That one there was just too much because
number one, if you are legitimately freaking out, how did you hold it in long enough to hit record? I mean, set the shot up, make sure you look good.
screaming, yeah. How many edits did that take? Let's see what else we got here. This is a new one. Let's see what this one has to say.
Oh my god!
Oh my God.
He thinks it's funny. I'm getting madder and madder.
Here's a violin for you, sad little girl. Next one. Let's see what we got.
America, how can you do this to us again? What the fuck? How are we supposed to live another 4 years like this? What?
Exactly, we're not. That's why we voted the way we voted.
What did you do?
Yeah, we don't want to live another 4 years like this. The past 4 years have been fun.
And Trump's first 4 years, you were still in elementary school. So,
By the looks of him. Finish crying. Let's hear the rest of his story.
Who do I?
Oh, that was the rest of that story.